We have wireless applications, services. So you can we can have communication radio, wireless networking, and cellular phones that are being used for different access technologies, and then short-range communication. This is the infrared based remote control, and here we have you can say we can use different technologies. If we talk about the cellular phones, we have GSM, we have LTE, we have 2G and maybe 4G, and there are a lot of different technologies in order to have access different services. For example, GPRS for data access, and there is another mechanism and another standard, Edge. So there are a lot of different access technologies, mechanism, and those different access technologies and different mechanisms, they are being used